Here we are at the height of the great storm of 2010. The blizzard is getting incredibly strong. There's already been several buildings where the roof has collapsed in the DC area. The creaking sounds from the roof are not too bad right now. Hopefully it won't collapse. Hopefully the power will stay on. It's probably about 20 degrees outside right now. You can see the wind swirling, the snow. Some more snow coming down. Nobody outside anywhere. The roads are evacuated. The highways are closed. And we all are just sitting here waiting to see if the roof will last and if the power will stay on.